So in this video we will be discussing what YCSB actually measures. So it measures throughput is number of operations per second. Suppose if the throughput is 20 ops per second, it means that in 1 second the database is performing 20 operations or the YCSB is performing 20 operations. So if I am talking about the read kind of things, only read operations are there and throughput is 20. It means that in 1 second YCSB is able to read 20 records from the database. So this is called throughput. Then we have a latencies. So latencies are how much time it takes to read a single record. So there are different kind of latency like read, write, insert, update, modify. Suppose I am talking about the read latency. So if read latency is 1 millisecond, so it means that to read a single record it takes 1 millisecond by the YCSB. If the update latency is 2 millisecond, it means that it takes 2 millisecond to read a single record. So that's how these kinds of latencies are there. So here one thing to notice that update and modify, there are two different kind of latencies here. So here in YCSB, update is a blind write. Without reading a record from the database, YCSB just update any random record. So this is called update in the YCSB. So, and in modify kind of operation, a record is first read and then it is modified and then it is write back to the database. So this is called the modify operation in the YCSB. So YCSB actually use it as a read, modify, write. So you will be see read, modify, write term everywhere in the YCSB. This is the simple screenshot of the loading phase in which we insert the data into the database. So here we can see runtime, it is in millisecond. We have a throughput operation per second here. And we can ignore this part. This is related to the garbage collections and cleanup operations. Here we can see number of insert operations that were performed in the database. This is the average latency that is recorded. This is the minimum insert latency, maximum insert latency recorded. These are the 95 and 99 percentile latencies recorded by the database. And it shows how much operations were successfully performed. So that's how the loading phase results are recorded by the YCSB. Talking about the running phase, so here again we can see runtime, throughput. This is the garbage collection and cleanups. Here we can see they are read operations. That these many are read operations. Here are update operations also. These many are update operations. So for the read, how much latencies were there? For the update also, how much latencies were there? So that's how YCSB calculate the result. So it shows how much read operations latencies, how much update operations latencies, how they are performing. So that's how the results are shown by the YCSB.